Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning two-letter words starting or ending with vowel I. When the vowel sound I starts a two-letter word, it sounds like the short vowel E. E, f, if. E, f, if. That is I, F, if. E, n, in. E, n, in. That is I, n, in. E, s, is. E, s, is. That is I, s, is. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. That is I-T, eat. Now let's say those words again. If, in, is, eat. Now when the vowel sound I ends a two-letter word, it sounds like the long vowel I, not the short vowel E. B, I, buy. B, I, buy. D, I, die. D, I, die. H, I, high. I, high. P, I, pie. P, I, pie. Let's say those words again. Buy, die, high, pie. Now let's say them all together. If, in, is, eat, buy, die, high, pie. Did you enjoy that? Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and Casey.